The purpose of this screencast is to help you create your first class in Google Classroom. Once you have connected and you are attached to your HISD Google Apps for Education account and you're logged in with your HISD address, you will be all set to create your first class in Google Classroom. So what you'll need to do is just to go to your browser bar and to search for Google Classroom. And then you're going to click on the first thing that comes up. It says googleclassroom.com. All right, your screen here is going to look different than mine, and I can't recreate it because I've already done it, but it'll just kind of say welcome to Google Classroom, and it will have an arrow pointing up to create your first account. So you want to go ahead and click up there to create your first account. It'll either prompt you to enter your HISD credential, or it will automatically see and recognize that you are signed in. One of the two. I don't remember, but I think it'll automatically grab you and then put you into this screen where your classes will be established. I have a couple sample accounts that I have. Yours will be blank. So to create your first account, you're just going to go to the add button over here by your email address. And you're going to click on Create Class. So I'm going to create a sample class for Bel Air, another one. You can add a section number and a subject. So if you've got first period, English, second period English, and then your name up here. However you want to name your account, you can do it. So you're going to click Create. Once your account is created, you can customize the screen however you want. So if you come up here, you can select theme, and you can pick one of the different images that they provide for you. You can click a pattern that you like or a color, and then go ahead and establish that. You can also upload a photo if you design something or have an image that you'd like to use yourself. In the background here, you can. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to have students join and become a part of your account. The trickiest thing here is you're going to have to go through a few minutes with them to make sure they're all logged into and have connected with their Google Apps for Education accounts with HISD. It's just a one and kind of done type thing. Once they are there, they're great. They'll give you a little bit of pushback about their private account versus their education account, and you need to just explain that when they're working at school, they need to be logged into their HISD account to be able to submit. They will not be able to join your classroom unless they are in their HISD account. And there are directions on the Bel Air High School's Hub homepage on how to connect to that account, or you can contact me and I can send you a screencast to walk them through. But it's basically just 2 steps and pretty fast. So once they are logged in to their account, they'll go to Google Classroom and it'll ask them if they're a student or a teacher. And of course, they'll try teacher first, but then just say, it won't work, and it won't. So they'll have to select student. You're going to give them this code that Google generates for you, and then it's going to auto-populate. You'll have a whole list of all your students down here. It will grab their HISD credentials, and they will become part of your class. They will not be able to receive assignments from you distributed from Google Classroom if they are not in this class. So make sure they all log in. So then if you go back to your stream, once they're there, then your Google class is established and your students are in it. So now you are good to start to distribute documents and slides and sites and all the other tools through your classroom account.